Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Now I have this table right here and we're going to be using this one for our sample today. And let's go ahead and click the insert button. Let's put it here. Click the insert chart and there you go. Now here is what we're gonna be doing for today. Let's try to make this smaller for now just so we could see. Let's go ahead and change the date range. I'm just going to click this one right here and I'm gonna go ahead and click add another range. Let's go ahead and select the range that we want, that's for our table, and delete the existing one. Hit OK and you should be able to see this one. Now again, we're going to be making a pie chart. So let's let's click the chart type here and choose pie. So we have different pie charts here. Go ahead and choose which you think would be or would fit best in your case. Let's try donut for example. Now as of the moment you're seeing so much things here, and let's change this. Let's try to make some changes. So for the label, let's go ahead and choose the product. There you go. And then for the value, let's use the total sales. There you go. Now, we're gonna click customize here and we're gonna make some changes. So for the chart style, you have this different options. You can maximize this one just so it's going to be as big as possible, or you can click 3D and it's gonna look like this. I like 3D, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Now for the pie chart down here, you have the donut hole, which is this one. You can zero this one or you can change this one to 25%. Let's choose 25% just for this case. Slice label, you can definitely put something if you want to, but yeah, not really the most important case in this time, but I'm gonna put percentage in this case. And here, this is very important. You can actually assign colors. For example, if you're going to click the laptop here, you can click this one and you can choose the color that you want. Say, for example, this is the color. Distance from the center, if you want to highlight that this, for example, is like the most, or this one is like most significant, you can definitely put the distance here, 25, 50, or even 100. So yeah, it's up to you. I'm going to put 25%. Now again, change the color if you want. I'm going to click the yellow here and let's change that one to red, for example. Oops, seems like we have red already. Let's try this one. There you go. Now chart and axis titles, let's click that one. So we have the chart title here. You can definitely put that. And I'm going to go ahead and put here a sales report. There you go. You should be able to see it here. You can change the font here. Go ahead and do that as you wish. For the positioning, this is set to automatic and you can see it here at the bottom. Let's change that one to left just so it's going to match in here. And yep, those are some of the ways you can go ahead and customize, of course, the fonts. And yeah, that is the easiest way in order for us to create a pie chart here in Google Sheets.